In a world where social media dominates our interactions, it's time to break free from digital isolation and build genuine connections. Today, we'll embark on a journey to discover the secrets of becoming more socially engaged. With inspiration from some of today's most influential young celebrities. Get ready to unlock the power of meaningful relationships and connections that will enrich your life. Our first guide on this journey is the talented and compassionate Emma Watson. Known for her roles in the Harry Potter series and her activism for gender equality, Emma reminds us of the importance of embracing our authentic selves. By being true to who we are, we create an environment where meaningful connections can flourish. Take a cue from Emma and join a local community or organization that aligns with your passions. By immersing yourself in activities that reflect your true self, you'll naturally attract like-minded individuals, leading to more meaningful connections. Next, we turn to the multi-talented Zendaya, a young star making waves in both the acting and music industries. Zendaya's ability to listen with empathy sets her apart, enabling her to understand and connect with people on a deeper level. Challenge yourself to actively listen to others without judgment or interruption. Practice reflecting on their words and emotions, seeking to understand their perspective. This empathetic approach will create a safe space for others to open up, fostering authentic connections. Our journey wouldn't be complete without the charismatic Timothee Chalame. Known for his remarkable acting skills and willingness to take on diverse roles, Timothee encourages us to step outside our comfort zones and explore new horizons. Push yourself to attend social events or join clubs where you can meet new people who share your interests. Embrace the discomfort that comes with stepping into unfamiliar territory. You never know, you might discover unexpected connections and open doors to exciting opportunities. Lastly, we have the inspiring Yara, Shahidi, a rising star and advocate for social change. Yara reminds us of the profound impact we can make by giving back to our communities. Engage in volunteer work or community service. Find a cause that resonates with you and dedicate your time and skills to make a difference. Through these acts of service, you'll meet individuals who share your passion for making the world a better place, forming lasting connections. Let's follow in the footsteps of these remarkable young celebrities and become more socially engaged, building meaningful relationships that enrich our lives. Together, we can create a world where genuine connections thrive, leaving a lasting impact on ourselves and those around us. So, join us on this transformative journey, and let's unlock the power of connection today. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Healthy minds, happy lives, and together, let's unlock the secrets to lasting happiness and create a world of healthy minds and happy lives.